Most affiliate marketers are bleeding money every day and they don't even know it. Why? Because they are blind to one thing that separates the winners from losers in the affiliate marketing game. What if I told you there's a secret tool that is going to show you exactly which traffic makes you money, even your first dollar online? And I can guarantee you that 99% of the affiliates have never heard of this. By the end of this video, you'll exactly know how to track your profits like a real pros, the top 1% do. Here's what nobody tells you about affiliate marketing game. Most affiliates focus on the wrong numbers and they don't even know that they are losing money in it. Now let me show you exactly what I mean. Now let's imagine you buy solo ad traffic from two different vendors. Vendor A costs you $1 per lead and vendor B costs you 78 cents per lead. Which one is better? Obviously vendor B, right? You're getting cheaper clicks. Dead wrong. Here's a brutal truth that most affiliates never discover. You send both groups the same exact emails promoting the same exact offers. Now vendor A leads 22.7% actually click your affiliate links. Now vendor B leads only 1% actually click your affiliate links. Now let's do the real math that matters. So to get one person who actually clicks your affiliate links, vendor A costs you $4.32. So what about vendor B? $80 per engaged lead. You thought you were saving money, but you are bleeding cash here. 95% of the affiliates never see this. They celebrate the cheap leads that they get, but while their bank account empties fast. They're optimizing for the wrong metric and they wonder why affiliate marketing never works for them. Now here comes the secret tool. Meet Opt-in Dojo. This tool tracks the one metric that is going to actually matter. Which traffic source is sending you the people who buy your stuff? Now remember those two vendors, vendor A and vendor B? Without Opt-in Dojo, you'd have been buying clicks from the cheap vendor and you'd have gone broke. Now with Opt-in Dojo, you know the truth instantly. Now if you want to sign up for this tool and test it, you can always check out the link in the description box below. It is a paid software, so you don't have any free trial. Now what does this tool exactly do in your affiliate marketing business? Now if you see the screen over here, now you can see the Opt-in Dojo, the tracking software, which is going to be the central command system. Now imagine Opt-in Dojo just like the Pentagon, which acts as the central command system of the entire US military. Similarly, Opt-in Dojo will act as the central command system of our entire affiliate marketing business. It's going to integrate with your funnel builder, which is the lead pages, and it is going to integrate with your email autoresponder, AWeber and Getresponse, which are going to use in our business. And it's also going to integrate with your affiliate marketplaces like Warrior Plus, ClickBank, Explodely. Now here's the magic. This is the dashboard of Opt-in Dojo. Now when you go to the tracking links, now if you see these tracking links, here you can see some of the important metrics. The first one is the cost per opt-in. This is what everyone looks at. And next one is the email clickers rate, percentage of leads clicking in your emails. And this is where the real winners have a look. And the final one is the cost per email clicker, how much you pay to acquire one lead who clicks in your emails. And this is going to be the real cost per email clicker. Here's the magic. Opt-in Dojo is not just like any other tool. It's going to track every lead that enters your squeeze page. It's not just going to stop at the squeeze page. It's just going to track every lead that enters your squeeze page and then into your email autoresponder. And if anyone in the future, 3 months, 6 months, or even a year or 2 years, if someone is going to buy, it is going to exactly show you which traffic or which vendor has sent that particular lead. And this will help you in making informed decisions based on data on which solo ad vendors you want to scale with. It's just like having a detective follow your lead through every step of the affiliate funnel. And most tracking tools are not going to track everywhere. They are just going to track at the end of the landing page and not beyond that. But Opt-in Dojo will do it for you forever. Now here's the crazy and the most juicy part of this secret tracking tool. What does the tracking tool do? Whenever a lead comes to the affiliate offer page and buys something, they're automatically moved to the buyers list. Now, why do we need to build this buyers list? A person who has clicked your email, trusted you, and bought from your email is 10 times more likely to buy a repeat offer from you rather than a new lead. That is the importance of building the buyers list. Now you can watch this integration happening between lead pages and the email autoresponder. And in this case, it is going to be AWeber and Getresponse, where it is automatically going to move the leads from one list to the buyers list with the help of the tracking tool, which is Opt-in Dojo. Now, if you want to know more about how this entire affiliate marketing system works with the help of this secret tracking tool called Opt-in Dojo, then you can always watch out the video on top right of your screen. where I've explained in detail where it is not found anywhere else on YouTube. For the first time in the history, affiliates can build their own buyers list without themselves being the product owner or the vendor. So you just can get the buyers list without having your own product. And this has been hugely successful because of this secret tool called Opt-in Dojo. And why do we need to build the buyers list? Obviously, a buyer is a buyer. A person who has bought you once from you, 10 times more likely to buy from you in the near future. So every purchase is going to be tracked to the source of the solo ads traffic, which vendor has given you. And you can also check the traffic source from where it has come from, whether this buyer has come from the solo ads, Facebook ads, or YouTube ads, or whatever it might be. Now let me show you why all these matters. Real results from different persons using this tracking software. Now here's one real result from Keshav Kale, where he has bought this secret tracking tool and it has saved him thousands of dollars by finding the correct solo ad vendors for his offer. And before this, he was losing lots of money without knowing which traffic source to scale. So when you scroll on further, you can see one more real testimonial from Daryl Hammond. See, he has used all tracking platforms, but Opt-in Dojo is by far the most comprehensive and provides the best information of tracking every aspect of his email marketing campaigns. And when you scroll on further, you can see another testimonial from Gabe Salome. He's the #1 solo ad vendor on Udimi. And he says that I have used many tracking tools to manage my solo ads and always felt like something was missing, or it required a lot of setup to track only one vendor. With Opt-in Dojo, it only takes a few clicks to start tracking your solo ad vendors. I'm talking about the tracking that truly matters, the engagement of your subscribers. Now, this is the most important thing, the engagement of your subscribers. And when you scroll down further, you can see one more testimonial over here. Ajay, one of the top solo ad vendors on Udimi. He has been using Udimi for more than 2 months now, and it has really helped him to understand which traffic sources are actually making him money on the back end. So when you scroll on further, you can see why I said that this is going to track the real profits like the top 1% do. Now you can see with Opt-in Dojo, you can find which traffic sources send you buyer leads. Even if your leads buy after many days, weeks, months, or even years from any of your emails, you will always know where those buyers leads came from. You will also know how long it takes for all your traffic sources to bring you to break-even point and beyond. Now, this is the most important metrics that you're going to do in this affiliate marketing business, where you're going to exactly break even and from when you're going to go into the profit. So when you scroll down, you can see over here the cost versus revenue, and here you can see the days after subscriber. So once you can see there's day 0, day 12, day 24, day 156. Now this is the cost. The red line is the cost, which is around $500. And if you see the revenue, the blue one is the revenue over here, revenue over time. And you can see this blue one is climbing slowly. And at day 15, he has got $556.15 as the revenue, where he has invested $500 for this traffic. And from there, you can see this profit growing up. So that's where you know where the break-even point is. And this is where you know to which vendor you have to scale your solo ad traffic. And that's what the real pros do. The top 1% of the affiliate marketers do. So you know now that this secret tool is like having a crystal ball for your business. You know who your best customers are even before they know it themselves. Now, if you really want to try this tool, then you can always check out the link in the description box below. It's my affiliate link, and it's not going to cost you anything if you sign up through my affiliate link. Yeah, this will just motivate me to put more valuable content for you. So if you really like this content, smash the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you get the very first notification whenever I upload my videos. So don't just be like the 95% of the affiliates who just guess their way to the failure. Be the 5% who's going to use a tracking tool to make real profits online. So I will see you in the next one.